Everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am here with another new video in which I will explain you about the headphone jack problem in your Realme 9i. But first, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. In this video I will explain how you can solve if your headphone jack or your earphone jack is not working. You can solve it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can solve your headphone jack or your earphone jack problem in Realme 9i. Let's watch the video.